Hello everyone, I'm Professor Tamer Çavuşgil and I'm thrilled to invite you to the 2025 Cyber Pedagogy Workshop happening May 28th to 30th at Georgia State University's Buckhead Center. This is an annual event for faculty and doctoral students looking to elevate their teaching skills, enhance their research capabilities, and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of business education. Imagine 3 days of dynamic learning, expert-led lectures, hands-on activities, and interactive sessions, all designed to help you bring innovation into your classroom. So what can you expect? Cutting-edge strategies to improve student engagement in the classroom, AI and emerging technologies in business education, exclusive access to the solutions binder we have prepared for you, a resource-packed booklet with teaching tips and best practices, insights from top educators and industry leaders on preparing students for today's job market. And this year, we're adding something new. Registered participants can enter 2 exciting competitions with submissions due by February 28, 2025. Your peers will judge the entries, making this a unique opportunity to showcase your innovative teaching methods. Don't miss this chance to connect with a global community of educators, exchange ideas, and take your teaching to the next level. Early bird registration is open now. Secure your spot today. We can't wait to see you in Atlanta.